Would you rather save $30 or would you rather save $150? Today, I am going to attempt to explain the new GigaParts point system and how it works and what offers you can get and this, that, and the other thing. So to put a little context, I, as a partner with GigaParts, previously had basically a landing page that I could give a link to, and it would take you to GigaParts, and it would say K8MRD at the top or Ham Radio Tube or something. And on that landing page were a list of items that you could use my code K8MRD to save 5%. Okay? Now, yeah, that's some money, but 5% in most states isn't even going to pay your sales tax. And it's limited to certain items. So GigaParts decided to change the way they were doing things. And instead of giving 5% off, they've done this rewards points system. And now they have basically a spot on their website where you can go and see what items are available for discounts to use your points to save money. Hopefully that makes sense. So basically the idea behind this is hopefully they can open up more products because they don't just sell ham radio stuff. They sell photography and 3D printers and ham radios and all kinds of stuff at GigaParts. So still new, but let's dive in. Now you do want to create an account. I already have my account signed in here, but let's go to my account real quick and I just want to show you some things. So down here we can see, this is basically just the landing page for when you go to your account. I made some purchases at GigaParts in Huntsville, Alabama during the Huntsville Ham Fest. I paid, I don't know, a little over $200. And on one of these purchases, I remembered to use my own code. So by using code K8MRD, you get double points for everything you purchase. So I just wanted to show you that, and I'll show you my rewards points here. You can see I have 298 rewards points because I spent money at GigaParts. But if we go back to the main GigaParts page and we scroll down, we see this extra savings powered by reward points. So this is where you go to find what deals they have that you can redeem your points for. So they've got this section here, save 25% on everything in this tier by redeeming 200 points at checkout. And we just saw there's a couple rig expert analyzers right there. Now, admittedly, there's not a lot of stuff that I personally find interesting on this page here, but these are the things that they have now. If we scroll down, we can see save 35% when we redeem 600 points. Nothing really here for me, and notice these are all kind of low dollar items. So you get 1 point per dollar you spend. That's how this works. So if you spent $600, you would have 600 points, and you could save 35% off of some items that, I don't know, maybe find valuable. And then you have these that are 50% for 1,000 points. And again, we have like really low dollar items. So like a $20 inverter. I spent $1,000 to save $10. Well, that doesn't really seem all that much of a good deal to me. So I would personally just focus on this save 25% by spending 200 points, okay? So let's take a look at this Rig Expert Analyzer, this AA650 antenna analyzer, okay? It's $600. Let's go ahead and add that to our cart. And we'll go to checkout here. And we'll proceed to checkout. And let's just fill in my info here. And then we'll hit next. So there's a couple things we can do here. Right off the bat, we can see if I'm spending $599, I'm earning 599 points. There's a couple things we can do here. Down here is where we would actually redeem our points for this item. So I can just hit use maximum, or you can type in whatever you want. But I'm just going to use maximum right now. Yeah, I don't think you need to hit apply points, but I'm going to do that. So now we can see from $599, it took off $149, and now after tax, the total's $498. Okay, so I spent 200 points. I'm still earning 450 points, though, because this item is now discounted $150. But wait, there's more. If we go in here and enter code K8MRD and hit apply discount, now we can see we're still saving that $149, but I just doubled the amount of points that I'm earning. So I spent 200 points. I'm earning 900 points off of this deal. So points are very, very easy to earn. But let's go back and see what else we can do with points. Right now, GigaParts has double points on any ICOM or Yaesu product that you buy, so long as it's like new. And by that, I don't mean it's a new product for ICOM, like the 7300 Mark II. It just has to be a new purchase. So if somebody bought a product and returned it, well, now that's an open box. So basically, it doesn't apply to open box or returned things. It's just got to be a new item. Not a new from the manufacturer item, just you got to buy something that hasn't been bought and returned, okay? So you get double points for ICOM and Yaesu products, but you can also double those points with code K8MRD. So let's check that out. So let's say now we are looking for ICOM 7300, okay? Looks like it's $9.99 after a mail-in rebate. So let's click on that, $10.99 regular. Let's add that to the cart, and we will go to our cart. And we will proceed to checkout. Fill in our details here. Now, there's no discount on this, but because it's just a new purchase, we've doubled the points. So we have 2,198 points. Well, I don't want to use these points because they're not going to do anything, but let's just say use maximum. For some reason, it saves like $1.49. So I'm not going to use my points on that. So I'm going to hit cancel points. But if we put in code K8MRD here, hit apply discount, we don't get a discount, but now we just earned another 1,000 points because we've got double points because it's a new ICOM product or Yaesu product, but it's also taking that original price and doubling it again. So we're getting double points for the ICOM product, and you're doubling the points because you're using code K8MRD. So we just got 3,297 points there for one purchase. I had a viewer email me about this saying the points won't work. He was looking for this rotator here, and I could never get you a discount on a rotator, but we can still, so we're earning 478 points here with this purchase. And go to our cart, checkout, and there you can see we're saving, we're earning 478 points. So the double points on the Yaesu and ICOM things, maybe they're not for rotators, maybe they're just for radios. But if we apply the discount code K8MRD, now we're getting 956 points. So how long are your points good for? Well, technically, they're good for 365 days. They've absolutely buried where the actual terms and conditions are for this, but I'll show you here. I do have it on good authority that they don't, for the foreseeable future, plan to actually delete your points after 365 days, but that is not a guarantee. That is just, that's what I've been told, okay? So to find the terms of conditions, let's go all the way down here, go to terms and conditions, and then we're going to click on this terms of service of our outline or online community. Then we're going to go to rewards. Then we're going to scroll down. And under frequently asked questions, you'd think, well, you know, when do my points expire? Well, apparently that's not asked frequently enough. So we have to go to the full terms and conditions, click there, then scroll down. And then we find membership points expiration, and we can see 365 days of being earned. And that was not easy to navigate and find on their website. I spent many minutes trying to figure out where that was. So hopefully that helps you. But I don't know. You know, it's a new thing. I know some of us are afraid of change, but hopefully we'll see more kind of actually useful items on there. There's a lot of little trinkets and things, but there's a couple Rig Expert analyzers there. There's some Messi and Poloni, one of their 10 millimeter cables on there. So, and for spending only 200 points, you get 25% off of those things. So $600 retail for a Rig Expert 650, save $150. That's a pretty good deal for only spending 200 points. So that's kind of hopefully helping you shed some light on this GigaParts stuff. And again, double your points always, no matter what you do. If you're buying something at GigaParts, I think every single product they have, you can use code K8MRD and double your points, and then go back to that kind of reward center page, that landing page, and see what's new for this month. I don't know if they're changing them monthly, bi-weekly. I don't know any of those details. I think they're still trying to figure it out, but That's the skinny for now. And yeah, that's all I got. My name is Mike K at MRD. Thanks for watching Ham Radio Tube. We'll see you next time. 73.